start over.
So this is a completely different 508 than years past because I've never seen any of this stuff in the daytime. This has all been pitch black. And I don't even know if that's the climb. Typically you see, a string of lights, but it's daytime, so I don't even know where the climb is.
I was just telling them that. I said it was great when we did Granite Pass and Sheep Hole Summit last year. You had lots of people to gobble up.
Yeah, Pac-Man. So this is cool. I mean, I've never seen any of this stuff in the daytime.
And it's 1:17.
Yeah.
It's really daytime.
Yeah. So, got about 90 miles.
92 miles. We did that easy.
Yeah, so it's hard century, so I don't think we'll finish it today. Right here, trains come by and they've had to sit and wait for like 45 minutes.
Better get over it real quick then.
Got it. 13, 17.